Look at this passion fruit vine, completely loaded with ripe purple fruit, growing right here in my backyard. In this video, I'll show you every step from one seed to this harvest. And here's the best part. You don't even need to buy seeds. Just take one ripe purple passion fruit, slice it in half, and look at all those seeds inside. Scoop out the golden pulp with all the black passion fruit seeds into a bowl. Every single one of these seeds can become a whole new passion fruit vine. Now rub the passion fruit seeds in a sieve under running water to wash off all the pulp. Clean seeds sprout much faster because the pulp actually blocks germination. Spread the clean passion fruit seeds on a paper towel and let them dry for a day or two. Fresh seeds like these sprout much better than old packet seeds. Plant the passion fruit seeds shallow, about ½ centimeter deep, in loose seed starting mix. Cover them lightly, they don't need to be buried deep at all. Mist the soil gently and cover the pots with a clear dome. Passion fruit seeds love warmth and humidity, so keep them around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Be patient, this takes 10 to 20 days. And there it is, the first passion fruit sprout. Remove the dome right away and give it plenty of bright light. Rotate your passion fruit seedlings a half turn every day so they grow straight and even. Strong, straight seedlings become strong, healthy vines. It really is that simple. When your passion fruit seedling has a few true leaves, move it into a bigger pot with fresh soil. This gives the roots room to grow fast and strong. While the seedling grows, choose the planting spot. A passion fruit vine needs full sun and something to climb, so a sunny spot along a fence is perfect. Passion fruit vines are hungry plants. Dig a big planting hole and mix in plenty of compost and aged manure. This feeds the vine for months to come. Now, the most important part, the trellis. Passion fruit is a climbing vine, so give it a strong trellis or wire mesh. It will cover the whole thing, trust me. Before planting outside, harden off your passion fruit seedling for 1 week. A few hours outdoors each day, so the sun and wind never shock the young plant. Transplant your passion fruit seedling right at the base of the trellis. Be gentle with the roots, firm the soil well, and give it a little support to start climbing. Water the young passion fruit vine deeply right after planting. Passion fruit loves moisture, so keep the soil consistently moist, but never sitting in water. Spread straw mulch around the base of your passion fruit vine, but keep it away from the stem. Mulch holds moisture and keeps the roots cool and happy. Tie the main passion fruit stem loosely to the trellis with soft garden ties. Once it grabs on with its tendrils, this vine will climb all by itself. Feed your passion fruit vine every 2 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer. A well-fed vine grows incredibly fast, sometimes several centimeters in a single day. And look at it go. Guide the new passion fruit shoots sideways along the trellis wires. Spreading the vine horizontally gives you more flowers, and more flowers mean more fruit. Don't be afraid to prune. Snip out crowded side shoots so light and air reach inside the passion fruit vine. Good airflow means healthy leaves and way more fruit. A few months in, and here they come, the first passion fruit flower buds forming along the vine. This is the moment every grower waits for. And wow, just look at this. The passion fruit flower is one of the most beautiful flowers in the world, white and purple, and it only opens for about 1 day. To guarantee fruit, hand pollinate. Take a small, soft brush and move pollen between the open passion fruit flowers. 1 minute of work now means baskets of fruit later. Success! Where each flower bloomed, a tiny green baby passion fruit is now forming. From here, each passion fruit takes about 2 to 3 months to fully ripen. Fruiting time means thirsty time. Water your passion fruit vine deeply and regularly now, because dry soil during fruiting makes the passion fruits shrivel and drop early. Switch to potassium-rich feeding once the passion fruits are growing. Compost tea or seaweed every week makes the fruit bigger, juicier, and much sweeter. Check under the passion fruit leaves for aphids and spider mites every few days. A simple spray of soapy water stops most pests before they become a real problem. And now the vine is loaded, clusters of plump green passion fruit hanging everywhere. Each one is filling up with that golden pulp we're waiting for. Watch the magic happen. The passion fruits slowly turn from green to deep purple as they ripen. The color tells you everything about when they're ready. Here's the ripeness secret. A ready passion fruit is deep purple, feels heavy, and the skin starts to wrinkle slightly. Slightly wrinkled means perfectly sweet inside. And here's the easiest harvest tip ever. Ripe passion fruits drop off the vine by themselves. Just collect them from the ground every day or two. You can also pick them straight from the vine. If a purple passion fruit twists off easily with a gentle turn, it's ready to eat. Just look at this harvest. One single vine can give you dozens and dozens of passion fruit every season, and it keeps producing for years. And this is the reward. Slice one open and that glowing golden pulp is pure tropical sweetness, perfect for juice, desserts, or eating straight with a spoon. From one seed of a store-bought fruit to all of this, if I can grow passion fruit at home, you absolutely can too. Subscribe and let's grow something amazing together.